All right, howdy, welcome back to Addicted Motors YouTube channel, another video in our auction review series. And today we've got a 2003 Land Rover D2 4.6 at an auction in New Jersey. There's no bids on it, but the first starting bid, they want $2,100. Now on paper, it's got 94,000 miles. It has paint, it starts, but I don't know if you can hear. This engine in the video is it's a combination of extreme, well, I guess knocking, exhaust leak, who knows, bad engine. It's got a lot of bad engine signs, which, that's kind of where a lot of these D2s with 4.6s and that don't have limited maintenance end up. And it's still kind of wild at the price that they want for this. It's got okay paint. It's missing trim pieces. There's no check engine light, which is crazy. That's obviously been cleared prior to making the video, but it is idling and not overheating. The interior doesn't look to be in terrible shape. 02 build, so 03 cell model year, and the headliner looks okay. No codes. But I mean, $2,100. There's no way with a literal, a lunk of an engine that is going to need to be completely replaced. It did sound like liner slip. Got matching tires. Those are my favorite wheels. I think they're 17s or 18s. The 03, 04 D2 wheels. Some no-name tires, which sure, that's fine, but when you have a knocking motor, that's not great. Yeah, back to that video again, and then on the inspection report, it's only listed, it's a Carvana trade-in, so that really explains it all. It's a 1.3 on the inspection report, lots of listed issues. I mean, they did a good job of listing the issues, but, I mean, it's completely totaled. It's got a bad smell, paint chips, rust. I didn't even mention it probably has a rusted rear third of the frame. Everything's worn. Electrical lights, dead battery, smokes, active leaks, engine noise. I mean, it's this person, there would not be life-saving issues performed if this was a human. So, yeah, it's pretty terrible, but you guys said you wanted to see some more ship boxes, so we have ship boxes, and this one pretty much takes the cake. I think it's a $1,000 truck. Personally, again, it's not even like it's rust-free. The body's not even that great. So, catch you on the next one.